Hey YouTube, we're at Rock Run. This is the XRock competition, mod stock division, and this is with Tom, Bajek, and Reside. Please enjoy this full-size love. Hey, so he's already on course, if you didn't realize. That means that he already started, and he can't get off course, meaning he can't pull all the way out if the front tire goes behind those cones, and basically he's disqualified. So I sped it up just so you can see them trying to get forward movement.
Like it's not a cone violation, it's just a cone isn't in place anymore.
Okay.
Like he moved the rock or whatever, it's fine.
Your drive shaft, come on, your drive shaft's gonna be fine. Oh no, you start turning driver now. You're in the boundary. Alright, turn driver.
closer to the truck than it should be, because he moved the whole rock. I'm just like letting you know that, like, I mean, because the other side he's in the boundary basically, so like it's like kind of unfair now with where that cone is.
Hey tube, so basically this is the end of the video. He spends like the next 5 minutes in this spot, so I sped it up 8x just so you could maybe get an idea what he was doing to try to get out of the spot. But this is it, so please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys around.